everyone, happy Saturday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. It feels like spring outside and I'm just loving this weather. Today I am going to be bringing you a recipe that you've probably seen or made before. It is the recipe for world famous chocolate chip cookies. Okay, maybe not world famous, but it's the recipe on the back of the Toll House brand of chocolate chips. And I have made these before and absolutely love them. So I hope you all enjoy. So I have just preheated my oven to 375, and in a small bowl, you're going to combine your flour, baking soda, and salt. So it's going to be 2 1/4 cup of flour, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm just going to set this aside. In a large bowl, you're going to put in 2 sticks of butter. Yes, 2 sticks of butter. 3/4 cups of sugar. And 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Then put in a teaspoon of vanilla. And 2 eggs. Then you're just going to slowly add in your flour mixture. Then for the best part, adding your chocolate chips. All right, so now that that unhealthy part is out of the way, now I'm going to show you a super easy and semi-healthy fruit salad, and it just has a few ingredients. Tomorrow is Easter Sunday, and so we are preparing for that, and we are going to have dinner here. We're going to smoke a ham, and we're going to do some hash browns and eggs and stuff like that. So fruit salad goes along perfect with that recipe. So first of all, you're going to put in some Cool Whip. And then put in a package of pistachio pudding mix. Next, put in a can of crushed pineapple and just go ahead and leave the juice, pour it all right in so that it gives it a little bit of liquid there. And then just cut up an apple and some grapes, and that's it. You can also go ahead and add in some pecans or actual pistachios if you would like. I didn't have any, so I'm just adding what I have. All right, they have just come out of the oven and they smell delicious. Or, oops. You can also, oops.